Promotions are a tool available to eBay shop subscribers to enable them to run promotions on their products for things like launching new products or getting rid of distressed stock. Promotions can be accessed from Sell, which takes you to the Seller Hub, Marketing, and then Promotions. There are 4 types of promotions which can be accessed from the option on the right hand side: Order Discount, Multi-Buy, Coupon, or Sale Event plus Markdown. Markdown is the same as the Markdown Sale in the left hand menu. Order Discount. This is where you give buyers a certain discount based on the size of their order. The discount can either be based on a minimum spend, a minimum quantity, buy one get one free, or a general discount. At the top here you can select categories and objectives, and eBay will recommend which one of these would be the most successful for your objective. So for example, to move older items in collectibles, it recommends that you use the minimum quantity strategy. The next step, we're going to select items. Here you can either select items directly for your inventory, so here you can search certain categories and certain price ranges and then select items, or you can create rules which will automatically add your products to the order discount. So as an example here, I've searched for the phrase button bag. It's found 4 items. If I select these, it'll add those items to the promotion. So confirm selection, showing us the items, it's showing us details about the products here. Let me just save and review that. Let's call this button bag 20%. We can see the offer type here is 20% off, which we can then edit. We've selected 4 items, and we can do a date range here. So it's going to put it live for the next 6 months by default. The offer has a banner, which will be shown on eBay. And let's create a title here, 20% off button bag products. And let's launch that offer. And here back on the Manage Promotions page, you can see that this offer is here at the top. From the list of offers, if we click on the offer name, it will take us to an offer page. This offer page is shareable on social media. You can also click to see all the offers from the seller. So here we've got this one, buy one, get one 20% off, and 20% off button bag products. If we click on the MAM offer again, if we click on the product and then click on the title, we can see at the top here there is a banner which shows us the offer. The second type of promotion are multi-buys. So if we select multi-buy from the menu, here you can create pricing tiers. So for example, you can say the quantity and then a percentage off each item, 1, 2, 3 or 4 items. So in this case you can say if you buy 2 and 2 or more and save, and you then select a percentage. You can then add inventory to this offer. In a similar way to the promotion, you add either select items or create rules. Let's just create a rule here. You can do it by category. You select the category, you can exclude things, and then you select the price, and you can add other filters, for example brand, and items which match that will all automatically be added to multi-buy. Here is an example of a product which has a multi-buy option. Here, if you buy 1, you buy them at £109.90. If you buy 2, you get £108.85. The third option is to create a coupon. Coupons allow buyers to enter a code during checkout to receive a discount. If I create the code HelloBaby1 and we give it an offer name, June 2021, this is a private coupon, so it won't be posted on eBay. However, you can actually create public coupons, and then you can create a discount type. So you can do a percentage off, you can buy a quantity, get a percentage off, or get a fixed amount off for every amount you spend. There are a number of other options here that can be used. You can set the details of the coupon you use, so you can set a maximum savings. So this coupon will stop working after £100 has been saved, and you can set a maximum number of redemptions. You can also set a budget. A budget is the maximum amount of savings that customers can make in total. So for example, if you have 10 customers that each save £10 each and your budget is £100, it'll stop working after £100 has been saved. Here you can set the eligibility for the coupon, so you can select specific eBay categories, specific shop categories, that's if you set shop categories up, or you can choose specific items. So here we can choose items. So select individual listings or select listings in bulk, and then if we select individual listings, let's add those 3 items. You can add a description to use for this. So let's call it Coupon 2021. You can set a start date and also an end date. You need to select an image for the coupon. coupon is available here and then can be distributed to your customer base. If we click on the coupon, we'll see the items which are eligible in that coupon. If we edit it, we can see that that is the coupon code that they will need to use at checkout. The final promotion option is to create a markdown sale. You can select this either in the left-hand menu or in the right-hand option up here and Sale Event plus Markdown. There's two types of discount you can choose. The first is a discount plus sale event and the second is a sale event only. Discount plus sale event actually discounts your products from the price you have in eBay. You can add up to 10 discount levels for your sale event. So let's do one at 20 and another at 10. Alternatively, you can take a fixed amount of each item and you can also offer free postage on discounted items. Sale event only will merely create a sale event around products that you've already discounted. In the next step, we select items. You can either select items individually or you can create rules using categories. Like with the other promotional options, creating rules will automatically add your products to a promotion dependent on categories and other rules you've set. So let's set select items. We're selecting here for the 30% off band. Let's just select 2 items, confirm selection, and we can now save and review that. Once you've saved your first banding, you can then add the items for your second and third bands. Let's give this a name. When you're adding items, you can disclude already discounted items. So let's add some extra items here. And let's add it for the 10% band. Finally, for the sale banner, we need to give a title. And then we can launch the event. And here you can see it is in the list of promotions. So how do these markdown sales look? If we look at a listing here for an iPhone, you can see underneath the price here, it has the RRP, which has been striked through and it says it's 62% off. Again, on the listing page, it shows the same information. So when should you use these different types of promotions? Broadly speaking, if you want to increase the basket size, use the order discount or multi-buy. If you want to increase sales volume, for example, if you've got a seasonal promotion or general promotion, or if you've got some distressed stock you're looking to sell, use coupons or sale events and markdowns. Thanks for watching this video. For more content, please subscribe to our channel or check out our Amazon playlist. You can also see more hints and tips at our website, which is vendlab.com/blog.